morning, YouTube. I just woke up, but I want to show you guys my favorite part of the morning, and it's when Anaya wakes up, but it's because of this. Let me show you why. Because she does this cute little thing. Watch. Hi, Mama. Hi. She's just you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Yeah. That's why I like the morning, and when I wake up at night, well, I don't wake her up, but that's why I like going to her room when she's awake. Say hi, YouTube, or just say hi to your future self. Say hi, Anaya. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. So all you man out there, you know, when you become a dad, this is where you feel it, right here, in the morning. Alright, this is mainly just for Anaya when she's older, so if you guys want to skip through this, you guys can. But if you want to keep watching, then it, keep watching. Just kidding. But I'm going to teach Anaya how to make an omelet. That way she could just watch this video in a couple of years or whatever she does. I mean, I'll also show her in real life, but if she ever wants to look back, she has this video. So I already started a little bit, so what you gotta do is get your eggs, which I just crack them in a bowl, and you know, do this. Grab a fork, you grab your fork, and you do this. Easy. Easy peasy. What I'm gonna use is cheese, ham, some mushrooms, and some onions. A bunch of stuff that I grabbed from the fridge. It's nothing special, but... And basically, you're just gonna throw all of this into there, and then you're gonna mix it. So I'll do that. Got one of these. Makes it easier for your cheese. So that's pretty much it. And you know, give that a little mix up too. Then you want to turn on your turn on this. Let's go to like, you know, you want this to get hot. Poor baby, she's so sick right now. Look at those mocos. Oh, pobrecita, pobrecita. We have a cough right now, and I don't know how she got it. I mean, it just happens, I guess. But it sucks as a parent because you see her coughing and stuff. Oh. It is so sad. I died. But she doesn't stop smiling. She's the cutest. Hi, Mama. But anyways, back to the omelet. I made omelets in a bag, in a little bag before. Just, you know, like this. Shake it up. Put it in water. And that's pretty good too, but I think this way is a little bit more tastier. I mean, it just depends what you want. The water, the boiled water, I don't know. Try either or. Maybe I'll make a video. That way you can see which way you like better, whether it's the boiled water or just like this. So I guess that's kind of hot. I usually throw some spinach in here too, but our spinach just went bad. So anyways, then you just want to throw it all on there. Maybe it's not an omelet, but I know it's bomb. So whatever it is, it's good. See, the omelet is flat, beautiful, blah blah. But this tastes just like an omelet, so that's why I call it an omelet. And the final result is this. Like I said, it's probably not an omelet to you guys, but it's an omelet to me. And like I said, I'm gonna do these little things where I try to teach Anaya in these videos. That way when she sees it in the future, I have some knowledge for her in the videos. That way it's not just a home video, and maybe it can help you guys out too. So if you guys see these little things where I start teaching, you can either skip through it if you don't want to see it, or you can watch it and maybe learn something. Hi baby. Hi baby girl. So cute. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna eat. Catch you guys later. Alright. Good morning, YouTube. It's fucking time is it?
11:19.
So It's 11:19. We didn't just get up, so don't think we're lazy motherfuckers. Omar just woke up. Just kidding. But my baby's crying. Hold on. Hold that thought. Say good morning. Say good morning. She did just wake up, but she probably wants to keep sleeping a little bit longer. Anyways, we don't have a lot of plan today, but we are gonna clean the house because Cierra decides to bring more and more and more clothes to our house. She got that whole pile. She got this whole thing, clothes everywhere, that pile. She just has a lot of clothes that she's not gonna do anything. And let me just show you. There's a whole nother 2-3 bag back there. And she don't even wear it. And she don't even sell it. And now I'm gonna burn it. Just kidding. Oh my god, anything to say to this vlog today?
It's Sunday. Let's go. Just kidding. You.
Let's go where?
Oh.
Why are you cringing, Omar?
It's cringy. I am cringy.
It's the lingo of these days. It's cringy.
Yeah, it's very sad that I have to use it.
Why?
But it's just the way it is, I guess.
Anyways, we're gonna clean up, get ready, go upload our last vlog. By the way, we're not vlogging every day. If you guys watch our vlogs and you guys like them, and you guys are like, what the hell, they don't vlog every day? Because we don't vlog every day. We vlog whenever the hell we want. Because we do it for us and family and Anaya and my great grandchildren that will be watching this sometime in the future. Mamas. Say hi, Cierra. How many Mexicans does it take? Huh, Mama? How many Mexicans does it take to do a button?
A couple.
Huh?
There we go. What up, guys? I haven't seen you in forever. Excuse my hair. Look at my cute Anaya. Say hi, Mama. Say hi. Say I just woke up. Why you keep looking up? Did you just wake up? Do you want to go show them what you can do? You want to show them your roly-poly? Okay, so she is just a mad woman. She rolls over like crazy. Hold on. Anaya, you gonna roll over? You gonna roll over? Guys, she's in the middle of the bed. I'm here. I'm watching. She's okay.
Come on, Mama. Come on.
Excuse the dirty diaper.
Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Of course, now that she's being recorded, she don't want to roll. Show them you can roll. You're rolling like a mad woman. You roll like a mad woman. Come on. Come on. You roll like a mad woman. Mama, Anaya. Alright, guys, so I put tiny bit of foundation on.
Oh my gosh.
Tiny bit in my eyebrows. But Belina over here says he wants to take some profile pictures. No, I saw a guy standing right there, but he said he wants to take profile pictures, but I don't think I'm down because I look like a trash can today. But we're sitting here, all of us, in this hot ass car at Starbucks.
Well, it doesn't have to be hot.
No, I don't want the air on. Because we don't have Wi-Fi at our new house.
Okay.
So we're trying to upload the vlog for you guys. But the thing is
it will be uploaded today. Today is 27.
But you probably won't see this for like another week. But it will be uploaded. Anyways, so we're just sitting here at Starbucks, but today's Sunday dinner and we are cooking Sunday dinner. Well, he is cooking Sunday dinner. So we have to go to Walmart and pick out, I don't know what he wants to cook, so we gotta go shopping. I think that's it, I don't know. I could be missing something, but we will take you with us.
Now you're smiling, Mama. We have to take her out because she's gonna cry, baby.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Mama.
Alright guys, so for family dinner we are making, well, Balene's making tacos and he is also, oh well, I'm gonna make salsa. But here's everyone else.
What'd you say?
Don't worry about what I said. And wait, we gotta wait for the guy.
I know.
So we need tomatillos and there's absolutely none. But the guy said
What's a tomatillo?
there's some in the back, so he went to go get some. We're probably holding everybody up, but oh well, don't matter. Mama! So anyways, I will show you when we start cooking.
Look at this little girl holding her own bottle. Look at her. You holding your own bottle, Mama? Look at that, Mama. Those are dad goals right there. Dad goals, bitch. Dad goals. Just kidding, I'm bitch. I apologize. Are you mad at me?
We're gonna get copyrighted.
Why?
Copyright.
You think I'm mean? Tell me the truth. I was joking. Just give me a kiss.
For berry.
You don't have to watch this part. You can skip it. Unless you want to learn how to make some bomb ass salsa. First, you put the tomatillos boil in the water. And these are boiling. They boil for 10 minutes. So set your timer.
It's 4:15, so at 4:25.
After the 10 minutes, you want to take these out and we're going to put them in this blender. See that? Get a spoon. Alright, then you blend this bad boy.
Uh-oh.
Well,
We might have to call back.
put some salt in it. I don't know how much. Just put how much you think.
Probably good.
Then you gotta have some chile de árbol, de árbol. Up in your white folks. Alright, you don't do anything with these, you just throw them in here. And it's pretty much however hot you want. I'm gonna go ahead and put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to start off to see how oh just to see how hot it gets. If it's too pussy, then we'll add some more.
If it's too punani.
If it's too punani, we'll add some more.
Girl. Do the stinky leg. Do the stinky leg.
Then you want to get some garlic. Not the whole thing, just one little thing that comes off of it. Throw it in. Then you want to make sure it tastes good. See how it came out? Ooh.
What?
That's hot. Some good shit though. all this shit.
But it wasn't ever a threatening situation.
Yo, you almost died, dude. That was long, bro. No, bro. It's not dumb.
And if it was to them, they would have said something. But they never did.
For real though, are you okay?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, that was dope, right?
Yeah, that was
You want to put it again?